नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू पढ़ाई करो द डे इट वॉज। टुडे इज़ 1 दिसंबर और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि 1 दिसंबर को किस साल में कौन कौन से इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स हुए हैं और उनका हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंस यानी कि महत्व क्या है। तो आइए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं 1 दिसंबर 1894 से। Bhimsen Sachar, the great freedom fighter, politician and Chief Minister of Punjab. He was born on this day. He was Chief Minister of Punjab from 13th April 1949 to 18th October 1949. Then again from 17th April 1952 to 23rd January 1956. He was also the 5th Governor of Odisha from 12th September 1956 to 31st July 1957. Then he became second governor of Andhra Pradesh 1st August 1957 to 18th September 1962. और अब दूसरा पॉइंट दोस्तों 1 दिसंबर 1963. In this date in 1963 Nagaland state got statehood. It became 16th state of the Indian Union. तो नागालैंड is today celebrating 57th statehood day. And this day is celebrated as Nagaland Foundation Day. Before the founding of the state, it was Nagaland Union Territory. It was founded by State of Nagaland Act 1962. Nagaland state की capital कोहिमा and the largest city is दीमापुर. अब दोस्तों नेक्स्ट पॉइंट 1 दिसंबर 1964 को जवाहरलाल नेहरू एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी विच इज़ इन जबलपुर मध्य प्रदेश. It was established on this day. Second point, 1st December 1965. Border Security Force, which is India's largest paramilitary force, it was raised on this day. आज 56th BSF raising day है. This day is also celebrated as Border Security Force Day. BSF is also known as the first line of defense of Indian territory. BSF's motto is duty unto death, जीवन पर्यंत कर्तव्य. BSF's first Director General was Khusro Farmarooz Rustam ji. He was from Indian Police Service. अगला पॉइंट 1 दिसंबर 1974. सुचेता कृपलानी, a great freedom fighter, politician and India's first woman chief minister. दोस्तों ये उत्तर प्रदेश की मुख्यमंत्री थी. 4th Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. She was from 2nd October 1963 to 13th March 1967. 1940 she was the founder of All India Mahila Congress. दोस्तों अगला पॉइंट 1 दिसंबर 1988 इस दिन ग्लोबली वर्ल्ड एड्स डे पहली बार ऑब्जर्व किया गया था यानी कि मनाया गया था. एवरी ईयर 1 दिसंबर इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एज वर्ल्ड एड्स डे अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. This international day is also dedicated to spreading awareness about the AIDS which is caused by the spread of HIV infections. This day is also observed to remember those who have died because of this disease. अगला पॉइंट 1 दिसंबर 1990 विजय लक्ष्मी पंडित, first Indian female ambassador and politician. She passed away at the age of 90 in Dehradun, Uttarakhand on this day. She was the daughter of Motilal Nehru and sister of Jawaharlal Nehru. She was the first female president of the United Nations General Assembly from 15 September 1953 to 21st September 1954. She was India's ambassador to Soviet Union from 1947 to 1949. She was also the ambassador of United States and Mexico from 1949 to 1951 and then Ireland from 1955 to 1961. During this time, she was also Indian High Commissioner to the United Kingdom. And then she became 6th Governor of Maharashtra from 28th November 1962 to 18th October 1964. तो दोस्तों ये था आज के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स. उम्मीद है ये सेशन आपको बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा होगा. हम रेगुलरली कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको ऐसे और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस कंटिन्यू हम रेगुलर आपको देते रहें और आप इनसे अपनी नॉलेज बढ़ाएं. सो आप प्लीज़ पढ़ाई करो के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और इसको सब्सक्राइब करें, इसको लाइक करें और शेयर करें आगे। तो ऑलराइट दोस्तों, पढ़ाई करो की टीम से ऑल द बेस्ट एंड करो तैयारी जीत की। थैंक यू।